Niger Delta Development Commission don't flag off holistic opportunities for programs and empowerment for youth for Niger Delta. The project wey they call Project Hope go accommodate both women and people where they do business for the region. The managing director of the commission, Samuel Ogboku, tok say the program go create comprehensive database of people and for the region and make youth no joke with this ogbonge opportunity.
It's also going to ensure that there is a database for youths, women, and entrepreneurs. Over the years too, a lot of youths, you come to this place, the same youth, it seems you're training the same youth every year. Some persons have made themselves as if they own NDDC, so for every youth training, they are just a recurrent decimal. And because of we having this database and what the Project Hope stands for, we are definitely going to be ticking the box. So we're encouraging every youth in the Niger Delta to take this opportunity and ensure that they register in the database. Let them be captured in the database.
Creative Director, Skills and Acquisition, Blessing Fubara, tok say the project need assessment of the youth for the region.
The Project Hope, as it's christened, to us literally, is to give hope to the youths of Niger Delta. But like we know, the youth will always say, for the ones that are here, that they've had so much of hope coming to them. But this time, for it to be hope in the real sense, it means that it has to be practical. This project is designed to be implemented in 2 phases. The first phase, we designed for us to do, first of all, a proper needs assessment of the youth of Niger Delta.
Director Skills Acquisition and Development NDDC Chinyere Madume tok say the program go help develop youth for Niger Delta.
It will serve as a plank in a data-driven planning and formulation of policies and programs targeted at the youth of the Niger Delta region. It will also help us as a directorate, as a commission, enable the transparent selection process in training and empowerment of Niger Delta region youth. So this is like the first phase of this Project Hope. And this will now dovetail into the second stage, which will see to the employment generation, to the industrialization of the region. And this will be done through the public-private partnership model.
From Port Harcourt, Balumi Mokoro, TMC TV News.